Hello friends, welcome to Easy Homemade Projects. In today's video, I will show you how to make a simple water level indicator circuit using 4 transistors and LEDs. This is circuit diagram of our project. And here is the PCB design. You can find more detail about them in video description. This video is sponsored by PCBOA. They provide PCB manufacturing and assembly services. You can order 10 pieces of high quality PCBs within $5 only. For the new members, the first order of 10 PCBs is free. They also support multiple payment and shipping methods, so you can choose anyone according to your budget. To order your PCBs, just go to their website and make an instant quotation. You can change some more PCB parameters here. You can also select any PCB color from here according to your desire, and after that click on calculate. Now upload your Gerber files here and submit your order. I received our circuit boards from PCBOA after a few days. Here are our PCBs. A nice quality pen. And some stickers. As you can see, the build quality of these circuit boards is really good. Here are all the components that we will use to complete our circuit. Now let me solder all these components to our new PCB. So guys, our soldering is now complete. Now we will need to connect 5 probes with this container. Now I am going to connect these 5 probes with the circuit probes by using this connecting wire. So guys, our project is now complete. Now I'm going to connect these wires to a power supply to show you the working of our project. So guys, that's it for today's video. All necessary information about this project you can find in the video description. I hope you will like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.